Let's see, we're doing some commercial. I think this rooftop was put up here, I don't know, a year, 2 years ago. And they say no cooling. It is a 21, 2 years ago. Downstairs, it had 24 volts at the thermostat because I had a common wire, but at first I took the thermostat off the wall. I wasn't getting continuity between the pins and the thermostat, so I'm thinking, oh, I got a bad thermostat. When you got another thermostat, did the same darn thing. So let me get this panel off and we'll get into it. Got you on a tripod. Bet you we got some dirty filters too. Let's see if she's blinking anything. No, no blinking. Nothing. No blinking. I hate these doors. What a surprise, there's no filters. Economizer looks like it's hooked up, but that's weird, there's no filters in there. Just turns on. But I ain't got no condenser fans. I got a compressor, no condenser fans. Looks like someone put a I think that's my condenser fan relay. Cool. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay. That looks oily. That's oil. That is oil. Crap. I wonder if that condenser coil's leaking. Why isn't my condenser fan coming on? Oh, what's that? Oh, is that just water? That's just water. That's all oil. Oh, she's leaking oil somewhere. Let's see. One's got to be empty. Can't even push it in. I don't have my gauges up here. I wasn't expecting this. It looks like a pretty big failure. And oil there. Oil there. Even looks like my VAP is oily over there. Well, let me check my, obviously, I don't know which one that is. That would be 1, that's maybe 2. But I don't have condenser fans though. Are we on? Do we have, I don't know if we got an ambient control on this, which I don't think so. I don't know what that board is though. I gotta find out where my condenser fans go. Let me go get my gauges and I'll get back up here and see if my sniffer is charged. Alright, I haven't got as far as the refrigerant yet, but I turned it back on. These condenser fans are controlled by that motor master up there, so it might be normal. I mean, it's only like 40 something degrees outside, but what I noticed is that I got a G call between common and G. I got 26 volts. Oh no, fan is not running. Oh, what is that? What is that? Ooh, hold on, let me shut the power off. Oh, that's got to be the damper over on the other side. Spring closed. Let me just make sure I got the power off here. Pretty sure I do. Oh, she's a disaster. I think that's... Oh, let me get you guys propped up here somehow. What a mess. Oh, you stay right there. Oh, you rest against the blower pulley. Let me just verify no power. No power. And we're gonna peek in here. Oh, something feels hot. Something feels hot. I think I got capacitor jizz down there from this drive. I guarantee these fuses are blown. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, two fuses out of the... And I know if I got even one of those blown, it's bad. So I got a bad drive. And then I think I'm gonna have a bad coil or something. I don't know. I gotta talk to the other tech to see what he did when he was out here last time. I think we're gonna have to get a phase monitor. Some kind of protection on this. That's, I think, the second drive that we've put on this unit. me go get some gauges and see where we're at on pressures and call the other tech. Well, I got my gauges on. We had pressure on both of them. But, like I said, all that's oily through there. So, we came in here. Right there. All along this condenser coil. Right there. Right there. Condenser coil. You gotta be kidding me right now. So on a 2021 unit, I don't know what this is, 10 ton, 7 ton, 8 ton. Oh, I don't know. 12 ton. Bad condenser. Bad drive. Not happy. So let me get this hunk of junk back together. And we're going to be replacing the condenser coil on the drive again. Need a phase monitor. Well, that sucks. That on 2021, I think they used it for one season. Already, I think they first drive burnt up. Then I think, I know for a fact that the other service tech I work with, he replaced a drive. That's the second one. Now this is the third one that, well, I'm going to replace. Ridiculous. These ABB drives stink. But in their defense, they should kind of have phase monitor on it too. So I really can't say that ABB drives suck. I can say that I don't like them. Let's put it that way.
Continue on South Main Street.
But that's what everyone's going to nowadays, is drives per the government. Sucky government. But what are you gonna do? Because when I was downstairs, I was jumping out the fan and I heard nothing. So I'm like, oh crap, you know, got something going on up top. Get up there, that's what I found. And then the air conditioning leaking, the condenser coil leaking, that's just another peachy find. So that sucks. Right now it's, I don't know, it's April 23rd. And we're going to be doing a condenser coil probably when it's freezing cold outside. What are you going to do? It's for a commercial business and they need their air conditioning. But I couldn't do anything with it right now because we got other problems besides the fan. Could have jumped it out, but if the AC is not going to work, why bother? It's just not gonna happen. Looks like that leak is kind of freshish. Is that a word? Freshish? I doubt it. But I mean, right now it's snowing. April 23rd. Snowing. I just got off the roof and it started snowing. So that's gonna suck all the way around. We're gonna have to put a phase monitor on it, and then fix the condenser coil, the drive, everything, get that thing back up and running. Get some filters in there, because that's for some weird, what they call wax room. It's a casting place where they cast like what I seen in there was housings for turbos, motor pullers, all kinds of casting out of steel or whatever metal they use, not sure. So in that room they need to keep it kind of cool, due to the fact is if it's too hot it's going to melt their wax, let's put it that way. We wouldn't want to melt their wax. So we will get the parts ordered and get back out there and do some repairs. That sucks. It just sucks. On a 21 unit, I got to do all those repairs. Alright guys, hit up the GoFundMe and for my son. We got surgery coming up on the 4th and it's going to suck because we don't